Nebuchadnezzar made a golden statue for everybody to see how great he was. He commanded them to bow down to the statue when the music sounds, and whoever does not will be thrown into the fiery furnace.
Escape from me, even though you say your God is stronger than mine.
We will not bow before this idol.
In that very hour, he ordered the furnace to be 400 degrees hotter and throw the Jews in.
More fire, more heat! Turn up the fire to 400 degrees and make them into smithereens.
It's not very hot in here.
No, it's not.
But you look pretty hot, Benny.
I'm always hot.
I threw 3 men and now there are 4 men. The 4th one must be their God's son. Stronger than mine. Therefore, I make a declaration that Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego shall be high in office, and they will be second in command.